and welcome back. So today's episode of Anupama is filled with family conflict as Anupama reaches her breaking point. Hasmukh asks her to calm down, but seeing Ishani, Mahi, Prerna, Paritosh, Paki, and Kinchal fighting again leaves her frustrated. Anupama says her physical pain may heal, but the constant arguments at home have destroyed her peace. Prerna explains that she never wants to hurt anyone, but she cannot keep tolerating taunts from Leela, Mahi, and Paki. She suggests that she and Ansh should move out because they clearly do not feel welcome. Leela accuses Prerna of breaking the family apart, but Anupama tells everyone that living separately is better than staying together while constantly fighting. The argument becomes even more complicated when Mai demands her share of the family property and asks for money from the competition prize so she can live independently. Prerna also demands her share while Paki insists Ishani should receive something too. Paritosh even demands Kinjal's share, but Kinjal firmly refuses, saying she does not want property or anyone fighting for her. Anupama becomes furious and tells everyone to first win the competition before discussing how to divide the prize money. She then accuses Mahi, Paki, and Ishani of constantly manipulating situation. Anupama admits that almost everyone in her competition team seems to be working for a personal game, with Kinjal being the only person who supports her without selfish motives. Meanwhile, Anupama receives a message regarding her home loan and is asked to select a plot. She discusses the matter with Digvijay, revealing that she wants to build a home of her own. At the Kotari house, another problem emerges when Pari suddenly experiences severe pain. A doctor examines her and advises complete bed rest, meaning she cannot participate in the upcoming cooking competition. Vasundhara immediately tells Prem to find a replacement. Pari feels guilty about letting everyone down, but Kayati and Anil remind her that her health is more important. Prem becomes anxious about finding another contestant while Rahi encourages him to stay hopeful. Back at the Shah house, Mahi sits alone and cries. Seeing an opportunity, Paki and Paritosh begin manipulating her. They convince Mahi to leave Anupama's team and replace Pari in Prem's team. Paritosh admits that removing Mahi could also create an opportunity for him or Paki to join the competition. They further tell Mahi that anyone participating with Anupama could eventually demand a share of the prize money. Slowly, their word influenced Mai. Later, Anupama returns home and explains that she went out to apply for a home loan because she wants a house of her own. Then Mahi delivers a heartbreaking shock. She tells Anupama that because Anupama trusts Prerna more than her, she has decided to leave Anupama's competition team. The family is stunned while Paki and Paritosh secretly celebrate their manipulation has succeeded. In the pre-cap, Anupama begs Mahi not to leave. Mahi admits that Paki and Paritosh influenced her but insists Anupama is still the main reason behind her decision. She refuses to change her mind while Banku joins Anupama's team and Mahi shocks everyone by joining Prem's team. Thank you for watching. Bye.